Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Dutch oven. This isn't like a traditional Dutch oven that weighs a ton. This thing is super lightweight. It only weighs 4 pounds. I was amazed when I got this box, and it was so light and so durable. It is just made of a cast aluminum, and the way that it's designed, it actually has the inside of the lid has just an inner lip. So then whenever it has the condensation, it doesn't fall outside the pan and you hear all the sizzle and the mess. It goes inside the pan and then it creates an even heat of moisture all around. So this actually works with an induction stovetop as well. So that is really nice. Now I'm gonna just make some dinner in here. I've got some chicken and rice we're gonna put together, but I'll bring you in here close and we'll take a look at this pot before I get started. So here's the pot up close. This is a 7-quart pot and it's 11 inches in diameter here. So this has got a non-stick surface. It's a nice ceramic. It's actually a German 3C plus ceramic coating. So that's gonna make that really easy for cleanup. And you can actually put this in the oven and in the dishwasher, and it will hold temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are going to get this thing put to work. Since you can put it in the oven, that makes it awesome to be able to cook breads or soups, or said I'm gonna do up just some chicken and rice. But here is your lid. You've got the nice texture on the top. But then on the inside, it has this little ring that you can see is just kind of on the inside of the pot. So then whenever you set it down on there, it lays on there flush. It doesn't hang over the outside. I have my chicken in here and I heated this up, and this heat up really, really quick. And as you can see, the chicken is cooking really evenly on all the sides and in the center. It seems to be working really well. All right, I've got my soup all finished. Last step is just put it in the oven. So we're gonna cover it up with a lid, and then we will put it in the oven. Now, once you have this, it is 7.5 inches tall. So you will have to make sure that you've got your room in your oven, but I know I do. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that in here, and then we will let it cook. It's dishwasher safe. So whenever you're done, just either hand wash it or dishwasher it. This is a great little Dutch oven. It's nice and lightweight and nonstick.